Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got a quick little small haul from Home Depot. Picked up an item for the Black Friday deals or after Black Friday deals. The little Dewalt 2-pack saw set. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so this is a small little tiny haul I got from Home Depot today. Today is December 11th, Saturday, 2021. Just picked up a single item. Went to go price some tires and figured I'd stop at Home Depot on the way back. Just a single item. This is the Dewalt. It's a little drywall saw 2-pack. I actually probably keep one of these for drywall. The other one, I'm going to end up, it's an 8 toothpieces per inch, or 8 TPI set of blades. It's for, it's got a sharp tip, goes through drywall and paneling. It says limited lifetime warranty. Part number is Dog Whiskey Henry Tony 97539 or DWHT97539. It's a 2-pack. Teeth are sharpened on 3 sides, allowing it to cut 50% faster than traditional tooth jaw saws. Sharp, aggressive tip quickly plunges into drywall. I picked these up mainly because I'm going to end up doing some woodwork. And figured these would come in handy for making precision cuts, maybe needing to shape the wood for a specific curve or something like that. That's why I picked them up. Just cutting the little tabs off the back. Little plugs. You just pull them out of the package. That's all they're held in by, is those 2 little plugs. So these are very, very stiff. They don't bend very much. So these will be good. And they are sharpened on all 3 sides. So these teeth are actually diamond shaped or triangular shaped. And they're crisscross from each other. One here, back and forth. It's very, very nice. They are definitely sharp. Definitely very, very sharp. But these will be good if you need to shape something, like maybe you need to put an S curve into a piece of wood, something like that. Designs or something. There's all kinds of other useful things that you can use these for. The only difference is this is similar to just a regular hacksaw. Just coarser teeth and a handle that you can index with your fingers over, a a traditional hacksaw that you gotta go like this. You get a little bit more purchase on something like this. You could push down if you need to. It's a little bit more control over something like this, and that's why I picked them up. The handles are actually pretty nice too. They're a little bit chunky, but they fit nice in my hand. These are thumb purchase points right here. So they're made for drywall. That's why they have the point. So if you need to make a precision cut into drywall while the drywall is up, you can. If you need to locate a electrical box that you're going to install, or you're installing an electrical box after the wall already gone up, you could use this to make the hole cut out, or you can use a drywall cut off tool. But just a quick video. I picked a set of these up. If I like them, I might pick up another set just in case. But that's all I got for you guys today. Just a quick video. Couple little saws. Pretty simple packaging how they did it. You just put 2 pins through these holes. Appreciate you guys watching. If you guys use these, what do you guys use them for? You don't have to use them for drywall. You could use them for whatever you like. It just shows drywall on here, and it shows 1, 2, 3 points. And we're looking at them. They do have 3 points. It's kind of hard to show it. Yeah, it's definitely just really hard to show it. But I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. I'll see you guys on the next video. As always, please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will see you guys on the next video. You guys have an awesome, awesome rest of your day. Peace!